Hey, what's up everybody? So today, I'll be unboxing this switch fan I ordered for the Caprice. Got it for all my switches online. This is actually supposed to be one that they have discounted because it's supposed to have a few blemishes or whatnot. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. So that's where I got it from, for all my switches. Pretty good shipping, pretty fast shipping. Hit them up for all your needs. Let's get this opened up. Sorry, I had to put the phone down because it's getting hard to open it with one hand, but I wonder if that's the scratch they were talking about. But here it is. Nice looking little switch plate for the Caprice. Can't wait to get this put on. And it was discounted because it says it had a scratch. Don't look too bad to me. Everything's all in there and tightened up. And here's how it looks. Final product. Overall, I'm very happy with the way it came out. And the regular price on these is 50 bucks, but this is one that they said had a blemish on it. And it was 35 bucks plus shipping. Got here pretty quick too. So y'all let me know what y'all think down there in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, y'all be safe.